Hey, we're Vert Calls and welcome back to the channel. I'm Akea
And I'm Risha.
and we are back at it. It is speed date time.
Yes.
We're reacting to Three Body Problem.
Yeah.
2024 sci-fi, I don't know, drama, something like that. And for anybody who's not familiar with what a speed date is, it's pretty much where we will watch the first episode of a new show that neither one of us has seen before. And if we like it, you like it, and time permits, we commit down the line.
Yes, this one was so fun because I think we talked about this in another video. This was one of those trailers. It's probably the best trailer I've seen in a very long time. Where at the end of it, I was like, I don't even care what this is about. Like, let's just watch it. And then you're not even like the biggest sci-fi fan, but I think I sent you like 5, 6 trailers at the same time, and this was the one where you were like, yeah, I'd want to watch that. And I was like, okay.
You did. Something about Three Body Problem looks real interesting.
Yeah.
I don't know what it's about, but it looks very
Which is so cool because I will definitely say, like, we have so many shows suggested to us, and there are so many trailers that we watch where we're like, this is not a good trailer. Like, I don't understand what the show is about. This is one where I didn't 100% know what the show is about. I didn't care. I was like, yeah, I'm down. I'm super down. And for you, too, to be somebody who's not even that into sci-fi and it still caught your attention, solid trailer.
Absolutely. And before we get started, guys, definitely make sure you hit that subscribe button, become an official bird watcher. Let's get on with it.
(1966)
Uh-oh. You know him? Oh.
面对广大革命群众，你老实交代，你是不是精通各种力学？
你应该很清楚。
别说话，
把他妻子带上来。
What? No.
叶哲泰，在革命小将的帮助下，我选择站在人民的一边。
把头低下去。
好，叶哲泰曾经在教学中散布宇宙大爆炸的反动理论，这个理论居然假设了时间的起点。没错，这就给上帝的存在留下了位置。
可是他没给出确实的证据。
让那些消息，让一切反动学术权威。
Oh my god, we are not about to take him. Oh.
Take him what?
Take him out, like right here? Oh my god.
Oh, you didn't expect to take his life? And now you're a murderer. Oh, girl.
We know that stare. We're back in London.
Our stomping grounds.
We stay in London.
Scotland Yard have been helpful for a change. Dr. Sadiq Mohammed studied cosmology and theoretical physics at MIT. Suicide note.
Another countdown.
Another.
Pegged as a favourite for the next Nobel Prize in Physics.
Previous suicide attempts? Anything like that?
Nothing, like the others.
Damn, how many others we talking? Okay, that's not suicide.
Particle accelerator. I think that's what they had in The Flash. That's a real thing.
I feel like every like superhero movie has like a accelerator of some kind.
I knew you'd be the last one here.
Till the lights go out, boss.
They've shut the project down.
You told us it doesn't matter how beautiful your theory is. If it doesn't agree with the experiment, it's wrong. According to the experiments, all of the physics of the past 60 years is wrong. Science is broken.
Not a statement you hear every day.
Depends on who you hang out with.
You still demonstrate great potential for future scientific accomplishment.
A person who has not made his great contribution to science before the age of 30 will never do so.
Damn. Says who?
If anyone can figure this out, it's you. Do you believe in God?
Is that what it's come to? This defies all known laws of physics, but I don't think that's an argument for God.
What's left?
Girl, what are you doing?
Yeah, step back, sweetheart.
Oh, come on. What?
Well, she said, well, what's left?
Damn.
Oh my
God. Wow. What a transition.
Yeah. It was a lot.
Possible our bar has gone. Second law of thermodynamics. Everything turns to shit. Physics is turning to shit.
Explain to me what's going on.
Are you ladies gonna sing a song?
No.
Not singers?
We're talking about physics right now.
You do then. Wait, hold on, don't tell me.
You don't want this.
I design self-assembling synthetic polymer nanofibers for a variety of potential medical, energy, and materials applications.
What was he gonna say?
Now you.
I'm a senior researcher in the theoretical physics group at Imperial College, analyzing the results of particle accelerator experiments around the world.
Yeah.
Just go sing.
Bye. Yeah. Can you imagine how sexy it would be if he could just join the conversation?
I can't imagine it.
Major accelerators started generating results that make no sense.
Oh.
Wow. This can't.
Nope, it can't.
Okay, so it's a hardware issue.
Every component checked 4 times over, and every collider from here to Beijing.
What is Saul saying?
He says it's impossible.
Now he calls.
There's real happening. Like, answer the phone.
See how you like it.
Wow.
Yeah, answer the phone.
It's probably high as take it. Hey.
Oh.
Do you see that?
See what?
He doesn't see that.
So only scientists are seeing this? What?
Yeah, but we don't know if the other woman saw it either. But we're thinking these are the numbers. The other guys, we're thinking that's the guy, what he saw.
Yes.
Vera just killed herself.
No, that would be terrifying.
Especially because as soon as you tell people you're seeing things.
Not Xing people out. What?
Well, who is that?
Oh, is this a detective? Okay, yes, okay.
Excited to see Jim? How long's it been?
Don't know. Fuck, I did not sleep at all last night.
Why not?
Maybe it's because Vera's killed herself.
Jack seems really chill about all this.
Have you heard that Jin's got a new boyfriend? I bet he's a total squid.
Why did I need to know that?
He hasn't contributed anything to science, and he's over 30. So.
Soul, come say hi.
Wow, Soul is a... he is a fixture in everyone's life at this point, isn't he?
So this is Prithviraj,
Just Raj, mate.
winner of the Epker Award. Can't tie a tie.
I was trying to figure it out on YouTube. Lord Kelvin thought that atoms were not at vortices in the ether. He also thought that there were... Thank you.
Wow, that was fast. That's talent.
Oh, gosh. 1/21/02/17.
So sorry for your loss. We all loved your daughter very much.
Jin's looking good. He's looking good as well.
Okay. Okay.
Hey.
Did you see the neurologist?
She has no clue why it's happening.
Like right now.
All the time.
So what is it, 1 day, 21 hours?
I don't know. I'm just really glad that she's telling people.
Yeah. I love that actress.
It's changed. So it's counting down?
Yeah, to constantly be seeing a countdown in your head is wild.
Right.
Especially when you know all of this crazy stuff's happening in, I guess, the atmosphere right now. That would be really scary.
What does that even mean? Do you believe in God? Strange question, don't you think? Was she acting weird, or?
I don't know. Yes, everything has been weird lately.
She was a bit of a killjoy, if we're being honest.
Don't be a dick, Jack.
Oh my god.
You were a favourite. For the rest of us, oh, good luck.
Wow, being rich, considering you're the one who quit.
She'll be coming to me and Augie for loans in a few years. Isn't that right, Augie?
Oh god, where are we at?
How's teaching going?
I have about one kid in every class who actually listens.
We were all that one kid.
Yeah, that's true.
Are you two fighting right now?
Oh my god.
Fighting and fuck.
Jesus.
Jack, I love you, but I swear to God, if you don't shut the f up, I'm gonna punch a hole straight through your head.
I thought you liked direct communication.
Unless it's directly at him.
Yeah.
Need a little help.
Smoking is such a social activity.
May I?
No.
It's not easy, is it? Being a person in this f***ed world.
Okay. Yeah, sure.
We're strangers, right?
The Lord has a better way.
Okay.
You seem like a very nice person. I'm just not interested, okay?
We'll count down. How much time do you have left?
Do you have left?
It's easy to make it stop. You put an end to your work. You shut down the lab.
Who are you?
Would be suspicious as well. Tomorrow, at exactly midnight, look up at the sky. Has the universe ever winked at you? You don't want it to get to 0.
Okay.
Is that her? She's been here this whole time?
这树多少岁了
？300、400岁吧。
如果把这些树都锯倒，会有什么后果？可能其他人没有想过，但你一定想过。
我不想接受大生钱包的采访。
我是白木林，一个和你有同样想法的同志。
Yeah, if I was her, I wouldn't trust either.
No.
没人知道铁门后面他们在做什么，在那工作的同志头发都掉得很厉害。Silent Spring， 它讲述了人类行为对环境的破坏。
Okay, can we like put this away and do this later?
No, it's so public.
In nature, nothing exists alone.
别让其他人发现。
How did he know that about her?
Well, I mean, we don't know their relationship, but he is moving pretty confidently, so
right.
He may want to be careful. Or he's an op, I don't know.
Oh, please be on the level, because this would be so sad.
Now I'm picturing he's just gonna get pulled out one night, die. Because what is it? He's press? Like, because why does he have his own tent?
What was she dropping? More seeds?
Oh,
oh God. No.
这是不是你的？这份宣传反动大毒草是怎么落到你手里的？
我不记得了。
Damn.
I was actually wondering if this woman, the daughter, was the same as the mother at the funeral.
I was thinking about that too. You just really gonna let... Okay.
Trust no couple ever on these shows. Ever. That's why we gotta watch romance occasionally, because all these couples are trash.
It really just messes up your...
It does. It does.
Makes you a real pessimist in these issues, you know.
你知道你是黑五类叶哲泰的女儿，同时你也是他的学生，并且成绩优异。我不希望他们被浪费掉。你只要签个字，参加一次学习班，就
我可以先看一下吗？
Good job, girl.
这些内容都是真实的，你妈妈都知道。
我不能签，
I will not.
你将会被军管处判刑。
我不能签，不能作证。小杂种。
Wow, we have met some rough ladies in these first 40 minutes. Okay, like, god damn.
Yeah.
Oh god, is this at the top of the hill where he was talking about all the stuff happens?
Yeah, I think so.
叶文洁，我是红岸基地的政委雷志成。
这篇论文是你写的吧？
我们的研究需要你的专业知识，现在摆在你面前有个立功赎罪的机会。
这可是最高机密的研究项目，一旦进入身后这道门内，可能一辈子都出不来了。
我可以在这里待一辈子。
Are you expecting me to stop what's happening here?
But like, you prosecuted my father for the stuff that I learned from him. And now you want me to work for you?
I'm gonna accelerate it, actually.
Right? I'm taking all of you motherfuckers out.
Probably gonna make it worse, which may be the point of the show.
Maybe. I'm about to fuck all of you up, okay?
He's so quiet.
Focused.
Any progress?
More than you think, less than you want.
Anything with the Oxford 5?
The Oxford 5.
What about that thing in Tehran? The shiny bicycle helmet?
We can't get our hands on it.
Are we sure it was another suicide?
I wouldn't say sure.
Okay, so it's not, they don't know him.
You've been fired from Scotland Yard, MI5 and OSCT.
I've got a knack for failing upwards.
You don't fail any higher than this, Clarence. Don't f it up. No smoking in here.
Everybody smokes.
I don't understand it. Can't wrap my head around it. Why she would do that.
Her work, things weren't going well.
She asks all about God. Did she ever ask you?
We're not believers in this house. We're scientists.
Did she do anything strange?
She was playing a video game.
Vera?
Yes, quite a lot.
Oh.
Where's the rest of it?
Don't put that on.
Mm-mm. But since she's not seeing a countdown, maybe it won't even do anything to her.
Either way, don't put it on. And the guy who was wearing it is dead.
Is that you?
In another life.
Show it.
What is it? Yeah.
Beautiful.
I was.
Yeah.
Does that hurt? Yeah.
才3个月，你就可以看到发射。
我们发射什么？导弹吗？
导弹谁没有？
发射启动。
Oh no.
目标是什么？
Girl.
Level 1.
Mm-mm. God, what if this is one of those games where you can like die in real life?
It's just like, I consider myself a naturally curious person, but putting something on where someone just took their life with no explanation, you have no idea what you just put on.
Ooh, okay. Damn, is she about to be like fried? Oh, thank God. At least she got...
Do not put it back on.
Anything strange happening to scientists is relevant.
Who decides what's relevant?
Wade.
Who decides he decides?
Governments. Get time to be a scientist.
Right? Oh, we're about to see the sky wink.
Tú con tantas curvas y yo sin frenos.
Shut up.
At least she didn't do it alone.
She should have brought the detective. He could be quiet.
What did that weird chick say to you again?
Has the universe ever winked?
Oh, yeah, she told him everything. Ooh, 10 hours. Okay.
Yeah, we are on the clock.
They haven't made it since 1963.
What's going on with you, though?
I don't want you to know. Just watch and let me know what you observe, if you observe anything.
It looks like Morse code, but it's not.
2 minutes to midnight.
考虑到你的政治立场，我接下来要做的，我们决定把红岸工程的真实情况告诉你。
如果是一个武器系统，这些都没有必要。
你说的对，但是对于通讯系统来说，是十分有必要。
How can it be happening?
Can't.
How did they know to be
They
out there
know
too?
about this? Yeah.
It's a code.
Oh, it's Morse code? Or it's using the key that he has.
What does it say?
接触谁？
有以外的任何生命。
10, 34, 06, 5,
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
3, 2, 1.
It's so interesting. So like even when you're seeing like the message, like are we sending that or receiving that right now? Like,
well, considering she was told specifically to look for it, how close is he still to that project still?
great question. And it's interesting that even you remember they said you would never leave here. So that's what's also interesting is like what happened between that and now, because she's not only left, but she's moved on. She did say we're scientists, so it still seems like she has a connection to science, or did for an extended amount of time, but something went down where she got out of there.
Also, the fact that her daughter was having issues with this. I'm shocked that her daughter wouldn't have gone to her knowing that her mother was a scientist.
Yeah, but I mean, what do you say? You heard the conversation her and Saul were having was literally like, this doesn't make sense. Like, I don't even know how much she had to share. And when you're talking about a particle accelerator, there's different specializations. So maybe she just didn't even think anything would be connected to what her mom's branch of science was.
Are we assuming that she was seeing a countdown or no? We don't know.
The woman who jumped off the thing,
Vera,
I don't
yeah.
think she was seeing a countdown. I thought the particle accelerator project got shut down, and that's why she did that. But I don't know. The only reason I'm saying that is because the other woman who is seeing the countdown has never worn the helmet. So it doesn't seem like those two things are connected.
We did see a couple of I guess, crime scenes where people had supposedly taken themselves out, and
I'm just wondering if there's two different bodies of people, if we have the helmet people and the countdown people.
True.
Like maybe they're not, maybe these things are happening at the same time. But what if that is a game of some sort that you're putting someone in?
Mm-hmm.
There's so much ego that goes into that, right? Because you have to seek out someone who would put that on and decide that they were good enough to do that. That's really interesting too, because like I wouldn't have even put that helmet on.
I'm also wondering, what is the deal with this detective? Like, one, why has he been fired from all these places, and how did he end up here, and why does he seem to know so much about this?
Well, he knows he knows solving. That's what you know what I mean, because he's saying like, I'm not a scientist, I don't know shit about it, I'm just trying to figure out a case. And what's interesting too is when we originally saw him, the guy who he walked up and said Scotland Yard is being helpful, the assumption was that he was the police, right? But he's not the police. He
I was about
works
to say,
for
so
this
he's
independent.
Not. Okay.
Right? That's what
yes, I think
that's
so.
what I'm gathering.
Yes.
Because he's saying he got fired from everything else. So he's like independent detector investigator for this guy.
Very interesting chart. I mean, it really just feels like the tip of the iceberg. Like, we really didn't even get started.
What direction this could go, but great pilot. Like, great pilot.
I kind of want to know what happens when they hit zero, but I'm sure nobody actually wants to find that out. So, hey.
I think we saw what happens when you hit zero.
Who hit zero?
You think those people just killed themselves?
Oh, you think that was the result of it hitting zero? Oh.
I mean, I have no idea, but that's kind of, I wish now that we'd like gotten to go back, like you almost want to go back and rewatch, because he scrolled over his countdown. So now you want to see how low the countdown got. And I wasn't paying attention to the time. I was just seeing that it was a countdown.
True. All right. What would you give it? 1 out of 10?
I'm giving this one an 8.
8? Yeah, I'd say 7.5. All right, thank you so much for watching this Speed Date 3-body problem with us. If this is one of your faves, definitely let us know in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe if you like what you see to become an official bird watcher. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Or bird calls, bird calls, bird calls. That's what we do.